Ludicrous Feed is proudly sponsored by mycar, Tyre Auto, Carloop, data to empower Australia's EV revolution, and Hankook, driving emotion. Hey, good morning everyone, I'm Tom from Ludicrous Feed. Thanks so much for joining us. Today we're doing part 1 of my BYD Sealion 7 accessories video. Let's go check it out. And by the way, all the accessories you see in this video and also in part 2 are courtesy of our friends from topbyd.com. Check out my discount code on screen and also in the video description below as well. And they've got lots of accessories, of course. This is just a selection of the ones that they'd like to promote in these 2 videos. Alright, so the first thing I want to show you guys is the boot of the vehicle, and the very first accessory is this privacy screen here. So it's very easy to install. As you can see, it slips into the bracket there. Both sides can be removed that way, and of course it provides a very nice screen for your Sealion 7, and this really just draws like that and slips into the recess there in the pillar. So very easy to pull back like that and draw, and that way you've got a bit of privacy here for your items below, so that when you shut your boot like this, nobody can see what you're storing if you want to keep it secret. I mean, the windows are tinted anyway, rather the screen is tinted anyway, but they really can't see because there is a screen there now, so that is a very handy item to have. Of course, you can always remove it very easily, as I said earlier. And there's room even for the seats here as well, so a bit of a gap there. And yeah, like I said, you can always remove it like this. It can be stored in the boot floor very easily. Second thing is these seat protectors there. You just saw me fiddle with it earlier. So these are just Velcro attachments. It doesn't impede or block the child restraint anchors there. It's good for, if you're storing sort of heavy duty stuff. You don't want to scuff the back of the seats, which is so that there's fluffy or velvety stuff. So yeah, it's a really good, easy installation guard for the back of the seats, second row. That way it can be a bit more rough with your items. And then obviously the third item is this trunk protector, which is on the floor of the boot. You can see that I've got stuff on it already. Again, very durable material, as was the seat protector here. And again, just good for heavy duty items. Life gets very messy, very rough sometimes, and you just throw bags and whatever, stuff from hardware stores and furniture shops and shopping. The guard is there, that way the felt underneath is not disturbed or not damaged when the time comes to sell the vehicle, for example. So I think that's quite a good addition to have. I like to have trunk guards or boot guards when I buy a new car, just as an extra security measure. And then speaking of which, this scuff protector here, or scuff plate, made of the same sort of rubberized silicone as this stuff, and this just literally sits on top of your lip of the boot. So I think having these additions here, so the scuff plate protector, the boot guard, trunk guard, and then the seat protectors here at the back, and then this extra screen here. I think they're all very welcome additions to the BYD Sealion 7 boot. It's just a nice touch to the car. And then one more thing I want to show you as well is the mud guards. So there they are. There's obviously 4 of them, 1 for each wheel, and comes with a kit as well to install. Very easy to install. Let me show you an example. So you see down here how there's a little clip there. So if you want to see these installed on the car, have a look at my seal videos of my own seal. I won't install it today because this is my friend's car, but this mud guard just literally sits there. And then you can take that clip out with the tools included and then put it back into that hole there. So no fuss at all, very easy. And yeah, it's just good for road trips or just daily drives so that your paintwork doesn't get disturbed as the wheel kicks up dirt and mud and stones and whatnot. Just a good little protector to have. Alright everyone, that's it from me and the accessories from our friends at topbyd.com. Again, check out my discount code in the video description below and also on screen as well for a nice discount for Ludicrous Feed viewers. make sure you stick around for part 2 as well. We've got some more accessories for inside the vehicle. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in part 2. As always, happy charging.